Hey friends, who's hungry? Turn end-of-the-season tomatoes into a sweet, spiced green tomato jam that's easy to make and perfect for canning or freezing. Wash and core 2 pounds of green tomatoes. Chop them into small pieces, but don't worry about peeling them. The peels will break down as the jam cooks. Place the tomatoes in a large, heavy-bottom pot along with 2 cups of sugar, the zest from 1 large lemon, the juice from that same lemon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of salt. Stir the ingredients well until the tomatoes are coated with the sugar. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Stir the pot occasionally at first, then more frequently as the jam thickens to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Continue cooking for 45 to 60 minutes until the mixture becomes glossy and thick. The tomatoes will break down into a soft, spreadable texture. For a smoother jam, use an immersion blender to puree it to your desired consistency. You can store the jam in the fridge, freeze it, or process it in a water bath for long-term canning. Enjoy green tomato jam on biscuits, with cheese, or even as a glaze for meats. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.